If bedtime with your toddler feels like a struggle every night, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a simple bedtime routine that helps toddlers settle down calmly and sleep better. I'm Chesta from KQM Family, and I help parents build calm, structured routines for toddlers and preschoolers. Let me show you how this works. Many toddlers resist bedtime because transitions are difficult for them. Moving from playtime to sleep is a big shift. And without clear structure, it can feel overwhelming. When routines are inconsistent, children don't know what to expect, and that often leads to resistance. That's where a simple, predictable routine can really help. When a child can see what comes next, it creates a sense of security. This is a simple bedtime routine designed for toddlers and preschoolers. Each step is visual and easy to follow. For example, the routine may include bath time, putting on pajamas, brushing teeth, story time, a hug or prayer, and then sleep. The goal is not to rush the kid, but to create a calm and predictable flow. Instead of repeating instructions, you can gently guide them by asking, "What's next?" Before the main bedtime routine, some children benefit from a calm down routine. These can include simple activities like deep breathing, quiet play, soft music, or reading. These small steps help the children transition from active to calm. For younger toddlers, breaking steps into smaller visual can make a big difference. For example, showing put on pajamas, read a story, separately helps them understand each step clearly. This reduces confusion and makes transition smoother. You can also use a simple checklist to build independence. Children can check if they're brushing their teeth, put on pajamas, and completed their routine. This shifts the routine from reminders to something they can follow on their own. Start with fewer steps for your younger toddlers and keep the routine consistent every night. Over time, this helps children feel more secure and cooperative. For families who want a ready-made system, this printable pack includes bedtime routine, countdown activities, brush teeth chart, step-by-step visuals, sleep checklist, and a simple reward tracker. You can print it and place it somewhere your child can easily see each night. If you'd like the printable I showed you in this video, I have the link below. If you're building calmer routines at home, I'll be sharing more practical systems for toddlers and preschoolers here on KQM Family. I'd love to have you subscribe.